थोड़ा उधर रहो।
तो मैं निकल रहा हूँ बाहर।
वो कैमरा का फोकस तुम पे भी आ रहा है, ओके?
नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ, मतलब खुद को दिखाना है बस। ओके, वेलकम गाइस। नहीं, वेलकम गाइस नहीं। Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy, and you can see a beautiful wall
on our background.
Yeah, and we purposely were sitting here like this so that
we can show you the wall.
Yeah, this we did it for Diwali, and I hope you guys like it. Yes.
It's gonna remain for a New Year as well. So Diwali plus New Year combo.
Yeah, and we love that color. So guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy, and Sharma ji and I, we just got over with a fight. And he said that I'm not going to come in your video, and he just went off.
मुझे फोन करके बुलाया, आजा आजा भाई आजा प्लीज आजा। मैंने कहा चल यार थोड़ा दया कर देता हूँ, आजा।
हाँ, बकवास।
क्योंकि नॉलेज कम है ना बेचारी को, तो उसको मेरे को जो चाहिए रहता है।
हेलो। मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही खुलासा नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे, हाँ? ओके, सो मैंने ऑब्वियसली आई कॉल्ड हिम दैट चलो यार वीडियो तो बना ही लेते हैं ना साथ में। सो हमारी जो लड़ाई होती है ना मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वो निपट जाती है when we have to make a video.
बट नॉर्मली वैसे भी कुछ घंटों में खत्म हो जाते हैं, ज़्यादा मतलब हम लेके नहीं जाते लड़ाई को, क्योंकि उसका कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है। देयर इज़ नो यूज़ ऑफ फाइटिंग फॉर लॉन्ग। थोड़ा बहुत फाइट चलते रहना चाहिए, तभी मज़ा है लाइफ में।
And today we are discussing a very important topic, and in fact हमें लगता है that we should have discussed the topic long back, because the day we came to Senegal we went through hell of a time, and we don't want you guys who are exploring Africa to go through same.
Correct.
So we are going to discuss about hospital facilities in Senegal. A few incidents happened with us, with my son and with Sharma ji, and we were in a panic situation because that time when we came to Senegal we didn't had a car and we were traveling in taxi, and you won't imagine the situation was so tough that we didn't even know our neighbors. So when this incident happened, we had to find a good hospital to take and get the treatment done. And I called my neighbor, and my neighbor was also from USA, and I asked him where is the hospital. He said, okay, come, we'll put it on Google. The blood is bleeding, and this guy put it on Google, and we went from one to second hospital and third hospital, and 3 of them couldn't treat Sharma ji's leg. And finally, the third hospital that we went to, they suggested us that you go to the biggest hospital, here, which is Principal. It is an army government hospital, and you guys should note it, you should know about this hospital. It is called hospital bola na maine? Yes. So you should know about this hospital. It is called Hospital Principal. It is in Ville, in Dakar, downtown. And downtown. Hospital Principal is a government body and an army hospital. You can visit there 24/7, and I think it is cheaper than the other hospitals here.
It's a government hospital, so
absolutely
it has to be cheap.
The second hospital that we have here is Medellin, and Medellin I think is run by Lebanese or something.
I think Lebanese doctors are there.
Yeah, Lebanese doctors are there, and it is very expensive. One consultancy will cost you like Vamil is
20,000 sefa, maybe like $30, $40.
Absolutely. So guys, hospitals are available, facilities are available. You need to see which is a cheaper and best services and which is expensive, because when you initially move here to do business, you don't have that kind of money to spend in Medellin. And people who are coming for jobs definitely can go there, but other people who are just struggling and starting up something new, you need to depend on Principal. But more than that, we want to share with you, because we figured out something very important in our area, and
or in any area in Senegal. If you live anywhere, you see near your houses, the many houses, they have something written their cabinet. So there are many cabinets, which is like the clinics in India.
Small clinics.
And some clinics are also 24/7 available there. Even in the night time, anything happen, you can go to these clinics and they can help you out. The doctor is sitting there all the time. Some clinic work in work hours basis. So you need to figure out in your area which clinic work in how many hours. Like in Maris, I have one clinic which work for 24/7, and doctor live just on top of the clinic. So whenever you have emergency or problem, doctor can come and he can give you at least the starting first aid.
See, why we are suggesting you these small clinics? Because in case of emergency, it is very difficult with Dakar traffic to go to Principal or Medellin. By the time you reach there, some emergency can happen, and you know, you will be wondering, why didn't I go to the nearest clinic available? And these clinics are run by a Senegalese doctor, and they are so nice. You won't imagine. You think only Medellin can give you good services? You'll be surprised when you visit them. These small clinics can give you very good facilities. My son, Sahir, he fell from the staircase and he got a cut here. And I didn't know, and it was raining. If I would have taken him to Medellin, it would have taken how many hours?
Maybe 1.5 hours, 1 hour at least.
So after this incident, we realized and we figured out this clinic. So when Sahir got cut over here, it was raining and I was again in a panic situation, and I took to that small, as usual, and I took to this small clinic. In about 5 minutes, this doctor, he stitched him up, and you know the fees that he took?
I think 7,000, 10,000 super.
It was Samil for his consultancy and Samil for stitching. Can you imagine?
Just one stitch.
Absolutely. If you go to Medellin, you will be talking somewhere around above Samil, the Samil, which is like 2 lakh sefa. Okay. So if your pocket doesn't allow, you'll be like in a jiffy.
But in this thing, you need to understand, if you don't speak French, going to the local clinic is also difficult for you. But they can help you. I don't know how much you can explain them and how much they'll understand. So Medellin is good in that way because the doctors speak English there.
Yes, but some of the small clinic doctors also, they speak English. Like the one in Maris, he speaks English. Sharma ji is very intelligent, you know. He just got a call and then we broke between the video, and he said that why don't we show you guys the clinic also.
Yeah, the local clinic.
Yeah.
What kind of
we'll try and show you if we can put it in this video. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is that this clinic has even beds.
Yeah.
So if आपको drip चढ़वानी है, you need to get the glucose or whatever, and
you can get a bottle of glucose and drink.
No, but they have all the facilities over there, and they are skilled. It is not that they are like some
because we are using them, and we are going to the clinic from last maybe 2 years.
2 years,
and we never
and no problem. No problem at all. It is just that you need to understand the language, or maybe you put a translator and you tell him that this is the problem.
That is also one thing I have seen in Indians. They doesn't speak language. That doesn't mean you cannot communicate. You can communicate. You have Google Translator in your phone.
Yes.
You just show them. That is how we learn. We always used to use a Google translation to explain them. Okay, this is the thing I want to understand. Slowly we start understanding the language. But right now, whatever the Indian I see coming in, they doesn't want to give a even short to Google translation. They say no, I don't understand. It's difficult, guys.
Yeah, so you need to get used to it and try and visit. And they are very good with kids, you know, families who are having kids. And if you visit these clinics, because if you go to Medellin and other hospitals, you'll have to wait. I hear from a lot of foreigners living here that they have to wait in queue for a lot of time in Medellin. The child is having fever and they are waiting for 2 hours, 3 hours, and it is very difficult. And here you go, he will just, you know, 15-20 minutes he'll attend you.
And they'll give you very good medicines. Right now, this doctor which I go, most of the time he give me the Indian medicines, and I trust as a Indian medicines more than any other pharmacy in the world. So
absolutely.
That is also one point I go there.
Yeah, and if you go to other hospitals, they will give you expensive medicines, you know, they'll write expensive medicines for you. But these clinics, they know, you tell them and they will write you the cheapest medicine available. And again, I think we are getting in a fighting mode.
She is getting in a fighting mode.
बकवास. अब हम ऑनलाइन अपने फाइट्स भी दिखाने वाले हैं guys. I think
इसके अलावा what else? We'll try to show you the clinic as well. We will go and visit there. If doctor allowed us to make a video there, we'll make a video and we'll put it in the same video. Otherwise, next time we'll do it. सो ये था आज तक, इंतज़ार कीजिए कल तक.
So guys, I hope this video was useful for you, and do figure out the local clinics. Okay, there are local dentists which are available, there are local gynecologists which are available. I have tried all of them and I'm very happy with their services, and they are old women gynecologists locally who are available. So if you have any issues, just explore your neighborhood and check where it is available. So guys, I hope you liked our video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Fusion by Lucy, and we are going back and starting our fight again. See you.